Welcome back to Kids Story World. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going on a brand new adventure where we'll learn something new and have a whole lot of fun. Are you ready? Let's jump into the story. Today is a very special day because we are playing with magic. Look at these three colors. We have red, blue, and yellow. These are our primary colors. Can you say that with me? Primary colors. That's right. They are the bosses of the color world because they make all the other colors. Let's do some magic. What happens if we take some red and mix it with some yellow? Let's stir the pot. Stir, stir, stir. Look, what color did it make? Orange? Wow, red and yellow make orange. Ready for more. Let's take some blue and add a little yellow. Mix it up, mix it up. It's turning into green. Just like the grass outside, blue and yellow make green. Last one, this is my favorite. Let's take red and blue, mix them together. Abracadabra, it's purple. Like a royal grape, red and blue make purple. You guys are color experts. But are you ready for the Kids Story World Challenge? I'm going to show you two colors, and you tell me what color they make when they mix. Ready? Let's go. What happens when we mix red and yellow? Is it purple? Or is it orange? Wait 3 seconds, that's right. It's orange. Great job. Okay, next one. If we take blue and mix it with yellow, what color do we get? Is it green or is it pink? Wait 3 seconds, you got it. It's green. You're on a roll. Last one. If we mix red and blue, what magic color we create? Shout it out. Wait 3 seconds, it's purple. High five. You just passed the color challenge. You did a great job learning your colors today at Kids Story World. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a learning adventure. See you next time.